Delicious meal. Chicken, vegetables, and fluffy dupling bites in a creamy white gravy. This soul-satisfying southern recipe is perfect for outdoor or indoor adventures. Freeze-dried to lock in nutrients and freshness. No refrigeration needed. No artificial anything, made with no preservatives, artificial flavors or colors. Pouch contains 2 total servings. Great for one hungry backpacker, or to share with your camping buddy. Quick prep, just add hot water to the pouch and eat in less than 10 minutes, with no cleanup. The pouch has a shorter, wider, more bowl-like shape for an easier eating experience. Eat straight from the pouch and skip the dishes. Eat anytime, anywhere. Pouch is lightweight and portable, providing you with a deliciously tasty meal perfect for camping and backpacking trips. Eat well in the backcountry or in your tent. Also great for emergency food storage and survival. Recyclable, recycled used packaging with TerraCycle to reduce waste. Shelf-stable, longest proven shelf life in the industry. Backed by a 30-year taste guarantee. Great for emergency food storage. Top reviews from the United States. Virus quarantine food. This may be my new favorite mountain house meal, right up there with the turkey casserole menu. If you're from the South, and are expecting a classic chicken and dumpling meal, this isn't it. However, if you like chicken pot pies, like I do, then you will be very happy with this recipe, just needs a little more pepper. Now for some history trivia for quarantine victims. Years ago, when the Navy was made of wooden ships and iron men, the ships would store water in old wooden barrels for months on end. The water got pretty gross even by sailor standards. One day, an English captain by the name of Grog found that by mixing 1 part rum with 4 parts water made drinking the water easier. It also had the effect of less sailors getting sick. The alcohol killed the critters in the water, and made the sailors a lot happier while stuck on a small ship for months on end. So, if you find yourself feeling cooped up and grumpy, maybe you just need to purify your water. I'm just saying.